a prophet with a white garment church in a suburb of Lagos, identified simply as Wole Adesoji, has reportedly died during Say.X with the wife of his close friend and an elder in the church. It was gathered that the Wole was actually expelled from another church where he was a prophet after he was caught with a member's wife, and he later opened his own church and seemed to continue in his indulgence. Being the leader of the church, Adesoji had a free reign and slept with any woman he deemed fit, both married and single, especially those who sought the fruits of the womb or husbands.